Hi, this is Jonas from WireFlow. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to use the User Access Toolkit to limit functionality in a VI based on different users. To start with, I have a simple application generating 1,000 random numbers, checking them against min and max range, and the user can also change the range by pressing the Change Range button. If I run this, it generates the numbers, calculate how many are in range now and how many are out of range. If I want to make this change range button only accessible to administrators, I can use the User Access Toolkit from WireFlow. So to do that, I go to the add-ons, WireFlow, User Access Toolkit, and drop a few VIs on the block diagram. The User Access Toolkit initialization, I have to specify the setup file to be used. In this case, I put it into my demo folder, and it uses the password 1234. In this case, I would also like to use a login dialog, so I have to enable the login dialog for the user. I will put that as well in here. And once that is done, we also add a cleanup to the end of the program. On the front panel, I will add a login dialog. And I will add an event case for this one. And in the event case, I will not do anything but call or invoke the login dialog in User Access Toolkit. And if the user is successfully logged in, it will mean that we have to update the change range disable feature. And to do that, I will check whether or not the user is part of an admin group. So I check if it is an admin or not. So in this case, I'm just adding this VI called check if admin, replacing the constant with this one. So if I'm an admin, I will enable the button. If I'm not, it will be disabled and grayed out. If you now run the VI, it will start off being grayed out. I can still run it as an operator, calculating the numbers, but the values of the min and max range are not really used. So let's log in as an administrator. And as you can see here, we have the admin password. So let's put admin and log in, and we'll see now we have access to the change range. So let's put that to 0 and 0.2. And here we go, using a new range. I can log in as an operator. That's just op. And again, we see that the change range button is disabled and grayed out. So the steps to take is to add the initialization of the User Access Toolkit, specify the configuration file, enable the login dialog. We have to check whether or not we are an administrator or not. We have to add code to handle the login dialog, and we have to add code to handle the cleanup. And that's it. That's how you check whether or not an admin has access or not. Thank you very much.